WiiM Sound Lite debuts as a minimalist, high-res smart speaker with 100 W peak output and AI RoomFit tuning. WiiM has introduced the Sound Lite, a compact display-free smart speaker positioned as a simpler alternative to the regular WiiM Sound. It supports high-res playback, several wireless broadcasting standards, and multi-room integration across the WiiM ecosystem. WiiM has announced the WiiM Sound Lite, a compact, display-free high-res smart speaker designed to deliver studio-grade audio, wide streaming compatibility, and whole-home expandability. The new model removes the touchscreen and bundled remote found on the regular WiiM Sound, but retains the same 4-inch woofer, dual silk-dome tweeters, and 24-bit 192 kHz playback capabilities. According to the company, Sound Lite is intended for music listeners who prefer a clean aesthetic and app-based or voice-assisted control while still getting the full WiiM ecosystem experience. It can operate as a standalone speaker, function in a true LR stereo pair, or act as a surround or center channel within a compatible WiiM home theater setup. WiiM says the speaker delivers up to 100 W peak power through a custom long-throw woofer and two 1-inch silk tweeters, with AI RoomFit automatically adjusting tonal balance based on the listening environment. Supported casting standards include Google Cast, Spotify Connect, TIDAL Connect, Qobuz Connect, Alexa Cast, DLNA, Roon, LMS, and more, enabling direct playback from native apps without switching to WiiM's control interface. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, RxTX, Ethernet, and a 3.5mm O input, while the WiiM Home app handles EQ, presets, multi-room grouping, alarms, and firmware updates. The Lite also integrates into Google Cast and Alexa multi-room systems, complementing third-party speakers. The WiiM Sound Lite is available in black and white and ships with a power cable, RCA O cable, and quick start guide. The WiiM Voice Remote too. Lite is not included but remains fully compatible for users who prefer physical preset and push-to-talk controls. The WiiM Sound Lite launches in December 2025 with an MSRP of $229. In Europe, it retails for €269 via Amazon and select partners.